G'day, here's a parcel of seam opal. Crystal material from Lightning Ridge, rules in millimetres, and the material's been wetted. Some of the pieces are quite large, as you can see, but with this material, as quite often is the case, it's fairly thin. We'll just go in a bit closer. Okay, I've gone in a bit closer now for you. As I said, it's been wetted, mostly greens and purples. You can stop the video at any time. I'll pick up a few of the bigger pieces to show you. This is just as it's come out of the bag. Start off with this bigger piece up in the corner here. This is great for inlays, doublets, triplets. Very bright. It's all pretty well much the same. This is probably the worst piece in the parcel. It's not so much crystal. Still might cut a stone. Lots of small pieces. This material, because it's thin, there's no point having great big bits because it'd be too thin to cut big stones. Some of the pieces have got multicolours in it, like this little piece. Mostly purples and greens, mauves. It's a nice little bright piece. Cut a little stone, that one. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.